So here we are again on the more precise news program on television. We said a couple of weeks ago that this year is the universal year of the cells. That can be prokaryotic or eukaryotic. But today we are going to go more deeply into the second one. There are 3 students of the University of East Anglia, Norwich, which won the first prize of the Scientist Awards last month. And they ran as a short reportage of interesting cells division of the reproductive organs, or also called the meiosis. Hello guys, how are you?
Hi Alex, we're fine, thank you. We're here in our university and we're going to explain the meiosis for all the viewers. We hope you like it.
The meiosis is the division of the cell of the sexual organs. The meiosis is different of the mitosis because at the end of this process we obtain 4 cells instead of 2. The meiosis is formed by 2 different phases, the meiosis 1 and the meiosis 2, and each one has different parts. Now my colleague will explain the start of the process.
When the meiosis starts, we can see 46 chromosomes of the mother cell totally mixed in the cellular membrane of endoplasmatic. On the first prophase, the chromosomes start to separate of each other and they duplicate at the same time that the centrosome and the endoplasmatic membrane disappears. And on the second prophase, the chromosomes join with the homolog chromosomes, where it takes place the crossover to obtain 4 chromosomes completely different, and the 2 centrosomes move to the poles of a cell staying like this.
On the metaphase, the homolog chromosomes situates without any order on the equator of the cell. It develops protein fibers that join the chromosomes with the centromere of each one of them.
Then, the anaphase takes place, where every couple of chromosomes is drawn to the poles of the cell like this. To end the first phase, there is the telophase, which is the moment when the cell breaks into daughter cells, but the process isn't finished. From here, the process is exactly the same as in the mitosis. On the prophase, the chromosomes don't duplicate themselves, but the centrioles do. On the metaphase, all of them stay at the equator of the cell, and the centrioles create the protein fibers again. On the anaphase, the couples of chromosomes are drawn by the fibers and separate from each other. When this process ends, the telophase starts, and the 2 cells divide into 2 more cells each one.
At the end, we have different chromosomes in each of the 4 daughter cells we just obtained. And that's it. Thank you much for listening to us.
Thanks to you guys. That's all the news for today. Now stay tuned for the weather information with Thomas Molina. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Have a good night.
Bàrbara. És com la Joan, però Bàrbara.
Com era Spiderchon?
Són filosòfics, Spiderchon. Avui comentarà les notícies del Japeret de Notre Dame.